Welcome to this segment, folks. Let's delve into the realm of gadgets that defy convention. The top 8 banned gadgets still procurable on Amazon that challenge legal boundaries. Starting at number 8, we have emergency strobe lights. Imagine cars sporting police-grade flashing lights, drawing power from the trusty cigar lighter. These lights come in various versions. There's a $30 variant with 4 diodes focusing on driver and pedestrian safety across weather conditions. Then there's another, offering 26 lighting modes for municipal services, ensuring safety remains paramount. One dealer even promises a cozy, romantic ambience suitable for families. At number 7, we delve into the realm of license plate hiders. Picture a license plate that spins when it's fixed onto your car. With a mere button press, this ingenious technology swiftly rotates 2 plates 180 degrees, changing their numbers. Number 6 brings us the Swan High-Power Blue Pointer. This laser pointer is reminiscent of an epic Jedi-Sith battle due to its formidable power. It can penetrate folded yoga mats or shirts as per various reviews. The seller boasts a range of 5 to 6 miles, making it suitable for hunting, hiking, and even illuminating stages. Moving on to number 5, we encounter the Mid-Zoo Spyglasses. Equipped with an in-glass system capable of capturing images at 30 frames per second in 1920 by 1080 resolution, the recorded video is saved in AVI format, divided into 10-minute segments. A full charge takes 50 minutes and requires a mere 1.2 ounces of battery, appealing to those considering it for dash cams or baby monitors. At number 4, behold the Deuther Watch D-Strike, a peculiar watch resembling Hollywood-style bombs and detonators. Despite its appearance, it functions as a standard smartwatch, but its standard feature lies in assessing Wi-Fi network security. It allows users to simulate hacker attacks, determining the vulnerability of open Wi-Fi hotspots. Number 3 introduces the GSM Jammer, an electronic device generating white noise, effectively disrupting signals. Available for assembly at home or through ready-made models on the civilian market, these jammers can be purchased for around $300 from certain Chinese websites. Now at number 2, we uncover the Flipper Zero, an item likened to a Swiss Army knife for tech enthusiasts. Despite its appearance as a gaming console, it holds serious capabilities, controlling smart home devices, gates, and barriers within a range of approximately 164 feet. Its functionalities extend to storing information, simulating touch memory, and compatibility with keycards for various controls. Finally, at number 1, we confront the RFID NFC Skimmer, a tool used by thieves to swiftly acquire credit card information. These skimmers allow unauthorized copying of customer credit cards by attaching a device to payment terminals. Additionally, they target keycards used in factories and businesses, capable of retrieving information from up to 3.3 feet away. There you have it. Intriguing, right? Let's dive into our next segment. How does a product get banned on Amazon? Products can get banned on Amazon for several reasons, primarily revolving around concerns about product quality, adherence to regulations, and intellectual property rights. Quality concerns play a significant role in Amazon's decision-making. Sellers must prioritize the quality of their products over price or quantity. Selling fake or low-quality goods is strongly discouraged, as it can lead to account closure if Amazon discovers such practices. Any significant flaws in a product, whether in functionality or manufacturing, can greatly impact customer satisfaction and trust. Another factor leading to bans involves selling prohibited or unregulated items. Amazon Marketplace has strict guidelines prohibiting certain products outright and limiting others, requiring sellers to obtain permission before listing. Compliance with specific laws and regulations is crucial in these specialty markets to avoid future complications. Violating copyright laws is a serious offense. Sellers cannot list items that belong to other brands without prior permission. Additionally, using another brand's trademark, logo, or related information in listings for sales purposes is strictly prohibited. Amazon takes swift action against sellers found infringing on intellectual property rights, potentially resulting in account bans. Certification is essential for many products sold on Amazon. Various goods, including food, medical equipment, and toys, often require certification from reputable organizations or government agencies like the Food and Drug Administration. Sellers dealing with potentially hazardous items must provide comprehensive information to Amazon. Failure to comply can lead to order cancellations or account suspension. Ensuring compliance involves answering Amazon's queries about regulations for hazardous items accurately. Sellers might need to upload safety data sheets, exemption documents if applicable, and other relevant files to meet Amazon's requirements. Ultimately, strict adherence to quality standards, regulations, and intellectual property rights is crucial to maintaining a viable selling presence on Amazon. If you enjoyed the video, like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell to support the channel. Also, comment what you think below. We'll see you in the next one.